The Kind Kingdom. Once there was an eagle-eyed eagle who eyed everything from her evergreen tree in the forest. When she flew, she would glide elegantly in the sky and guide the creatures with her patient presence and eagle eyes. It all started in the animal kingdom with the beautiful butterfly who was friends with the kind kangaroo. "Why are you so beautiful, Butterfly?" asked the kind kangaroo. Beautiful Butterfly replied, "My mother told me I am beautiful because I am a social butterfly and love to be with others and listen to their stories." "Why are you so kind, Kangaroo?" "Well, when I'm not using my pouch for little roos, I like to help others and carry their food." "That is kind, Kangaroo," said Butterfly. "I've carried lots of leaves for kind Koala. She's calm and cuddly, and I'm sure she'd be keen to meet you, Butterfly," said Kangaroo. Beautiful Butterfly and kind Kangaroo smiled at the calm and cuddly Koala, who smiled back. "Tell me, Koala, why are you so calm?" asked Butterfly. "Well, it's because I live in the trees and I eat leaves, and I am happy." "Oh," sighed Butterfly, "so happiness makes you calm?" "Yes," said Koala. "That is beautiful," said Butterfly. "You should talk to cheerful Cheetah," said Koala. "She's amazing. Even though her cheeks are painted with tears, she is cheerful." "Why are you so cheerful, Cheetah?" asked Butterfly. "Because I love to run fast, and I am cheerful when I am free to run." Butterfly listened and understood, because she too was cheerful when she was free to fly. Just then Lovable Lion roared a lovable laugh. Butterfly asked, "What is so funny?" Lovable Lion smiled and said, "I have just seen my first social butterfly in action. I watched you fly from one friend to another, listening so beautifully to their stories. It is just funny, seeing a little butterfly listening to the stories of the big animal friends, and that something so little can be so big." Big Kangaroo, Koala, Cheetah, and Lion smiled with little Butterfly, and they were thankful for her big heart and the beautiful way she listened to their stories. Butterfly was thankful, and she ventured on, feeling thankful, calm, happy, cheerful, and loved because of her kind friends. Smiling Salamander was crawling in the grass up ahead. "Why are you smiling?" asked Butterfly. "I am smiling because you came to visit me." Salamander talked to Butterfly and shared stories about the sandy silt and the sunny sun, and Salamander smiled with appreciation as Butterfly kept him company. Optimistic Otter was sitting on a rock nearby, and Salamander said, "You should visit Otter too." Butterfly fluttered over and asked, "Otter, why are you so optimistic?" "Well, to start, I am surrounded by fish, berry bushes, and wonderful water, and everything feels so nice. My surroundings make me optimistic that I will surely have a good day." "Hmm, I am surrounded by all those things too. I like your optimism, Otter, and I will surely have a good day as well. Thank you for your story," Butterfly said as Marvelous Moose entered the forest. "Marvelous Moose, you look marvelous. What makes you so marvelous?" "Well, I am grateful for my antlers that help me grow. They sit on my head high above the ground, and you can rest on them, if you like, and look at all the lovely surroundings that Otter talked about." Butterfly and Marvelous Moose sat together with Otter and marveled at all the splendid sights and sounds of the forest. Talented Tree Frog was singing. "Talented Tree Frog, what are you singing?" asked Butterfly. "Well, I have the ability to forecast the weather, And when I feel the rain coming, I sing to let my friends know rain is on the way. It is so terrific that you share your forecasting talents with your friends, Tree Frog, and your songs sound so lovely. Thank you for communicating so nicely and helping others, Butterfly said. Tree Frog smiled and sang another song and encouraged Butterfly to take cover under a leaf as the rain approached. Next to the leaf sat relaxing Red Panda. Red Panda, how can you lie so easily on the branch and not fall off? Red Panda explained his big striped tail gave him balance so he can rest, relax, and re-energize after a long day of collecting food. Wow, you and that striped tail are amazing, said Butterfly. What is really amazing is Zestful Zebra and his stripes, Red Panda said, complimenting his friend, the zebra. Butterfly saw Zebra with his stripes and asked, Zebra, why are you so zestful? Well, zestful, that means I am spirited and enjoy things. I am joyful because my stripes confuse the flies so they won't bite me, and I can then graze on the grasses peacefully. That is amazing, Zebra. You are full of zest and joy because your stripes help you live peacefully. Well, sometimes the flies stay away for other reasons too. For example, Magnificent Meerkat over there. She sometimes catches the flies, said Zebra. Meerkat, why are you so magnificent? Asked Butterfly. Well, I am so glad Zebra is my friend and appreciates that flies and insects are part of my diet. I feel magnificent when I eat healthy foods like insects and fruits and grasses. That's marvelous, Meerkat. I feel magnificent too when I eat healthy foods like nectar and fruits from the flowers. I like to be mindful about the food I eat, and healthy foods make me strong. And the flower gardens are a great place to find healthy food. Meerkat asked, Do you see Reassuring Rabbit in the garden over there? He is the best at encouraging his friends to eat healthy and enjoy the garden with all its surroundings. Reassuring Rabbit, tell me what makes you so reassuring, Butterfly asked. Well, reassuring my friends and giving them encouragement to be healthy makes me feel good. I invite them to join me in the garden with the pretty flowers and grasses and clovers, and it makes me happy to help my friends be healthy. Wow! My day has been so amazing listening to all the stories of the animal kingdom, said Butterfly. By listening, I am filled up with such kind, calm, happy, cheerful, lovable, smiling, optimistic, appreciative, marvelous, talented, thankful, balanced, terrific, zestful, magnificent, mindful, reassuring, healthy, and happy feelings. It's amazing. The animals all cheered. Beautiful Butterfly! It is beautiful that you listened to all our stories and made us feel amazing. And the encouraging eagle-eyed eagle flew overhead and said, You got it, Animal Kingdom. You are brave and you are kind, and I am proud of all of you. Eagle-Eye Eagle rested in her evergreen tree as everyone listened to the stories of their beautiful friends in the forest of Zoom.